Hello sunshine and welcome back to our channel. My name is Piseta Matlapeng. I'm Soa's little sister. In today's video, we'll be unboxing our Oculus Quest. Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah, and this is the Oculus Quest that I got from the Facebook F8 conference in April. It's only coming in now. Thank you, Chimdi and the Devsi family, for making sure that it arrived. But I'm still incredibly happy. I'm so excited about this packaging. That's really awesome. And yeah, I'm about to see my Oculus Quest for the first time. Okay, so I got... Yeah, that was pretty quick. So the box inside has this. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's got these little things to kind of hold all the parts together. This is a pretty nice, stylish box. And inside we've got you can pick it up stuff. The VR headset. So this is the actual headset, and you can see it's written Oculus over there. And it's also got a, what does it have? Okay, cool. It's got a, you can open that. So it's got the lenses there. And this, before you start, install the Oculus app. Little sign there, pretty cool. And what else is in there? Okay, cool, this is awesome. Oh, these are the remote controls. So these look like those PlayStation ones. So you can see that it's got the A and the B and the X and the Y and a little thingies. These look like just normal joysticks. And this is the headphones. So just remove the liquid lenses, and you can try this on if you like and see how it feels. I'm wondering if there's anything else. It does not seem that there's anything else here. It's just this. Oh, there's this box over here, and this is what the box looks like. These are really cool boxes. This is the other side that had all the packaging. I'm gonna put these over here. How does it feel?
It feels good.
It feels good. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Then we've got the American charger. That's because I had it first delivered to London, and I think this is like a replacement or some extra stuff if you, maybe if your facial structure is not fitting into that. It's pretty considerate. And this is the cable for the charger, and one of these has to go in here. And this is how you charge. Basically, you can actually just use your MacBook charger, remove your end and replace it with this one. Or if you have a Samsung, this is that same, the fat thing. I don't know what it's called. And these are batteries. Batteries are great because the Oculus Quest actually doesn't need a device. You really like having that on. It's not on yet.
Please.
And that's about it. I think this is... box was just holding the batteries. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we just switched on the Quest, and I'm gonna open up the Quest app that I have on my iPad, and I'm gonna start pairing. You don't have to... Okay. I clicked on pairing and it says power. Plug in your headsets, continue. Wait, is it doing something there?
Yes.
What do you see?
Telecharger adverts.
Adverts. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Next, turn on your headset. Enable Bluetooth. Yeah, I'm enabling Bluetooth on my phone. And I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. It's looking now for allow new connections. It's not gonna look for other devices. Yeah. Look in your headset for a 5-digit code and enter it here. Look.
777
777
00
777
1.
1. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was... You can see it. Oh my gosh, it's pretty cool that you had it on. Wait, if I was alone, how was I gonna look inside the VR headset and... Okay, okay, it's pairing now. Do you see anything?
No.
Okay.
Downloading the Oculus app.
Okay, cool. Wi-Fi password is... entered the wrong, I don't know the Wi-Fi password, clearly. Okay, we're gonna connect it now.
Updating your headset, you'll be notified on your phone when your headset is ready. It's downloading.
Okay, can you say that out loud?
It's downloading.
It's downloading. Next, insert batteries. So they've got the instruction on, it looks like you can just slide the covers, the battery covers off and insert the battery. I don't know how to slide these. Like, what? Do I press something? There. Got them. So now I've just opened these and I'm gonna put the batteries in there. And so the controllers work on batteries, but the main device is chargeable. Okay, I'm gonna put these bad boys in here. Got the Oculus. Next up. Okay, it's pretty responsive. Like the moment I put the batteries in, it automatically knew. And now it's just gonna pair up the controllers. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Pairing. This is exciting. This is really, I'm so excited. I love how instructional this app is. Like, cause I, first of all, was not gonna read this instruction manual. I only read instruction manuals when I dye my hair. Not even when I bake, I don't read instruction manuals. This app is literally press the, okay, it's asking me to press something. It's pressing a button and the Y. Okay, cool, S and Y. Preparing the left controller. Until the light starts blinking and you feel the controller vibrate. Okay. Okay, I'm pressing the buttons. Pressing the space and Y buttons. Not really getting anything. Oh, is it what percentage? How much is it still?
50-65.
It's 50-65. Okay. I hope it's not using up all our internet. Okay. Charging the Quest now with my iPhone, my laptop, Mac charger. It actually works. And now, I actually realized I had the batteries on the wrong way. Sorry. So I can press this and a light. Yep. It's doing the things. I had the batteries on the wrong way, guys. Controller is paired. The next one. What I have to do now is just insert the batteries the right way. Just gonna remove this. So you insert the batteries this way with the plus this way, like the sign suggests. And then I'm gonna press the Quest sign and the back button, which would be, let's wait till the light turns on. Yeah, that was pretty effortless. We've got the two controllers and I'm gonna choose English UK. And I don't know what happens next. They got a video that I can watch. We can watch. Can you see anything?
No, it's still downloading.
It's still downloading. Okay, cool. So the actual Quest is still downloading. And now I've got a safety instruction stuff that's happening. And clear the play area. It should be indoors, that's what it says. Do we have a clear play indoor area?
No.
You can play here. It's a little bit of space. And then set a guardian boundary. Oh, so you should set a boundary where the play is actually going to be happening. And it's also for anyone who's 13 and above. How old are you?
Okay, I'm 17.
You're 17, so she's of age. Choose the appropriate content. Okay, cool. I feel like this has been a pretty awesome experience. Okay, Oculus Quest safety, continue, acknowledge. The headset is rebooting, please wait a few minutes. I have to go to work.
And I
You have to go back to sleep. Wow. Wow, wow. I really should not have grown up. It was a bad decision.
Adjust the headset up and down on my face until the green lights are not blurry.
Okay. Okay, cool. The left one's also doing the update. So what are you doing now? I think we can uncharge this. It's getting a bit uncomfortable. Yeah, just remove my charger. Okay, what is happening?
They're still blurry.
What? The green lights?
Yeah.
Okay, what? You're supposed to move up and down?
Yeah.
Okay, move up and down then.
Press the trigger button.
Press the
Trigger button.
What's a trigger button?
On your controller. Which one is the controller?
The controller is these things. What's a trigger? I think this is a trigger.
Yeah.
Is it saying left or right controller?
Didn't say.
Okay, so these are all buttons.
Then move the slider left or right until the green lines are not blurry. Okay.
Move the slide. You should do this because you're the one who's gonna hold this. Hold them like this.
Set up. Guardian helps you stay within your playing area by creating a boundary around you in VR. This virtual boundary is only visible if you are near or touching it. To begin setup, pick up your controller and continue.
Okay, cool. There we go. That's defining her play area. This is a bit of space we have at my work.
And done.
Done. Okay, cool. Awesome.
Okay, and then I made. Okay, then build the cage for me, right?
So the cage is, I think, your play area.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Can you start playing now?
Okay, they're still selecting the game for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now it's done.
Okay.
Down the swinging hand. I don't know if what to do, but then they're like.
Yeah?
This.
No, you're supposed to be holding your controller all the time.
No, but the fingers in the controller are not exactly what they've shown me over there.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if. Ah, damn it, I missed it. Okay. I'm playing tennis.
Oh, you're playing tennis. Okay,
Yeah. Oh, I missed it.
That was our first impressions of the Oculus Quest. How was it? Did you enjoy it?
Yo, very much. It was actually very nice, amazing, very great.
Okay,
You try it.
Yes, I will try it. And how did you find the setup? How did you find setting it up? Was it like difficult? Was there anything?
No, it was not that difficult. It was just fine.
Okay, cool. So it was pretty easy to set up. I also felt that it was pretty easy to set up.
Yeah.
The app was really great. The only issue we had was the controllers, but that's because I had put the batteries on the wrong way.
I don't know if it's the game I was playing or what, but only one controller was working.
Oh, okay. But I think it's because you were playing tennis.
Okay.
You can only use your one hand.
Okay,
Like you
your
can't.
one-way thing.
Yeah. So maybe if you play other games, I'm sure that they'll both work.
Okay.
Yeah. So how would you review it? How does it feel? Is it heavy?
No, it's not.
It's not heavy at all?
No.
Okay, cool.
It's more of a cap, like you have
Oh.
to make it fit on your head.
And it's super comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Did you like the fact that you didn't have to connect it to a computer while you were playing?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So that it feels really like cool mobility. I obviously have never actually put on an Oculus Quest yet, but you had fun.
It was so much fun.
And you're not a gamer, right?
No.
But this was like.
But this was like, yeah.
Did it feel real? Did it feel like you
felt
were?
real.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching Sunshine in My Code. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click on notifications so you can be a part of the notification squad, and comment and like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.